With tax tariffs shaking the economy and markets swinging wildly, your 401k is more vulnerable than ever, especially if you're 5 to 10 years away from retirement. One major crash could slash your savings in half. In fact, the average 401k lost over 20% during the last major downturn. That kind of hit right before retirement can change everything. But there's a way to protect your money, still grow it, and guarantee income for life, no matter what happens next. Hi, I'm Aileen Gutierrez, Operations Manager and Financial Strategist here at We're Life Group. We're a life insurance brokerage, which means we're not tied to just one company. We help families protect and grow their income through income protection, mortgage protection, retirement planning, and legacy tools like living trust. I've seen too many families blindsided right before retirement because no one ever explained these options to them. That's why I do what I do, to help you avoid those mistakes and retire with confidence. Here's the problem. Most people nearing retirement are still gambling with their 401k. One market crash and years of hard work could disappear. And with everything going on, tariffs, inflation, interest rate spikes, that crash isn't just possible, it's likely. If your retirement drops 20 to 30% this close to the finish line, do you really have the time to recover? Imagine logging into your 401k and seeing a massive drop right when you're planning to retire. That pit in your stomach, that's not just fear. It's the realization that your timeline just got pushed back by years. Now fast forward, you retire anyway, hoping it all works out. But Social Security isn't enough, Medicare takes a chunk, taxes take another, and here's the part that no one warns you about. You might actually pay more in taxes during retirement. Why? Because your home is probably paid off, so you lose a mortgage interest deduction, and your kids are grown, so you can't claim them as dependents anymore. That means you're paying full taxes on money that you thought would go further. And before long, you're working at Walmart just to survive. You did everything right. You saved, you sacrificed, but no one told you the system was built to tax your retirement on the way in, on the way out, and every step in between. If any of this feels familiar, click the link below and schedule a free strategy call. Even if you're just exploring your options, it is worth a conversation. So how do you protect yourself from market crashes, taxes, and outliving your money without gambling your future on Wall Street? You need a strategy that locks in your gains, shields you from losses, and guarantees income for life. And the best part, this strategy already exists. Most people just don't know about it. It's called a fixed index annuity. It's designed for people who are approaching retirement and can't afford to take another hit. You roll over your 401k or an IRA into an account that's linked to the market. When the market goes up, you earn interest. And when the market drops, you lose nothing. Your principal is protected. And it gives you something Wall Street can't, guaranteed income for life. Even if your account goes to zero, your monthly income keeps coming. Here's what a fixed index annuity gives you. It gives you principal protection, no market losses, so your retirement is safe from crashes. It also provides market-linked growth with annual reset. Each year, your gains lock in, and that becomes your new protected floor, so you never give back what you earned. You also get guaranteed lifetime income. Even if your account hits zero, you keep getting paid for life. It offers you tax-deferred growth. No annual taxes on gains, so the money compounds faster. There's also no management fees, so you keep more of what you earn. You get penalty-free withdrawals up to 10% per year, so you can access funds for emergencies without any fees. There is a surrender period protection, so as long as you don't cancel or withdraw more than 10% a year, you avoid penalties. And there's also a long-term care rider. If you can't perform 2 out of 6 daily living activities, your income may double. Terminal illness or nursing home riders, you can access 100% of your funds penalty-free, even if you're in the middle of a surrender period. And some companies will also offer upfront bonuses, and these just help you cover penalties from moving out of your old account. This is about more than protecting your money. It's about protecting your lifestyle. Case study. We recently helped a couple in their late 50s who were worried about retiring during a market downturn. They moved their 401k into a fixed index annuity, locked in growth, and now have guaranteed income for life, no matter what the market does. That kind of peace of mind, that's what this is all about. If you're 5 to 10 years from retirement or already retired, and you want to protect your savings, lock in your gains, and secure income for life, click the link below and schedule your free strategy session. We open just a few spots each week to give every family personalized attention. There's no pressure, no cost, just clarity and options. Because your future deserves more than guesswork, it deserves a plan. At We're Life Group, we're a life insurance brokerage, so we're not limited to one company or one solution. We're like a Foot Locker of financial services. We work with top-rated providers like Allianz, Prudential, F&G, Pacific Life, Athene, and more billion and even trillion-dollar institutions trusted by millions of Americans to protect their financial future. These companies are legally required to hold up to $4 in reserves for every dollar you have saved, making them some of the most secure and well-capitalized institutions in the world. Compare that to banks, which only keep $1 for every 9 that they lend. That's how we ended up with the recent bank collapses like Silicon Valley Bank, Signature Bank, and First Republic. But these companies we work with, many of them have been around for over 150 years. They've survived the Great Depression, world wars, and every major financial crisis without going bankrupt. So when we help you build a retirement plan, you're not just getting a policy, you're getting peace of mind, backed by multi-billion and trillion-dollar institutions, built to last for generations. Let's build a retirement you can count on, with income you can never outlive. Click the link and book your free strategy session today. I look forward to helping you protect what matters most.